Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check the exact device model and Android version so you pick the correct recovery method. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi or a PC. This prevents interruptions during resets or downloads. Make sure you know the Google account used for the device and any OEM unlock or carrier info because you will need them later for reactivation and to avoid lockouts. You now choose a method based on access. Try Smart Lock or Google Find My Device to remotely unlock. They preserve data if they work. If you have ADB enabled, use a DB sideload or shell commands to remove the lock file, but only if USB debugging was previously authorized. If those fail, boot into recovery mode and perform a factory reset. This clears the password but erases data. For locked bootloaders, follow the OEM unlock step. Complete the process by rebooting and signing into the original Google account to pass factory reset protection. Then restore backups and reinstall apps. If FRP triggers and you cannot access the account, make sure you try password recovery for the account first, and failing that, contact the OEM with proof of purchase to remove the lock. If the phone remains unusable, or the bootloader was altered, go to an authorized service to avoid voiding warranty and get professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.